Picture this. The sun rises over a rugged mountain range, painting the skies with fiery hues as ancient churches emerge from the mist. Beneath your feet lies a land rich with stories older than time itself. This is Ethiopia, a country where human history began, where cultural diversity thrives, and where natural wonders captivate the soul. Buckle up as we uncover the extraordinary treasures of Ethiopia, a land of awe-inspiring landscapes, ancient history, and unmatched cultural vibrance. Ethiopia, the cradle of humanity. Ethiopia's claim as the cradle of humanity is no exaggeration. The country has produced some of the world's most significant archaeological finds. Chief among them is Lucy, the 3.2-million-year-old fossilized skeleton that gave scientists new insight into human evolution. Her discovery in the Afar region put Ethiopia on the global map as a hub of early human history. Beyond Lucy, there's Hertoman, a 160,000-year-old skull that represents one of the oldest modern human fossils. As you explore Ethiopia's museums and archaeological sites, you'll feel like you're walking through the pages of humanity's storybook. Axum, a kingdom of legends. Ethiopia is home to one of the most legendary civilizations in Africa, the Kingdom of Axum. Axum's towering stelae, some reaching over 30 meters, stand as monuments to a civilization that thrived between the 1st and 7th centuries. These intricately carved obelisks served as markers for ancient burial sites, and their scale is a testament to Axum's architectural brilliance. The legends surrounding Axum don't stop at its monuments. According to Ethiopian tradition, Axum is the final resting place of the Ark of the Covenant, said to be housed in the Church of St. Mary of Zion. Though its contents remain a mystery, guarded by a single monk, pilgrims and adventurers alike are drawn to its intrigue. Lalabella, a wonder carved in stone. In northern Ethiopia, the rock-hewn churches of Lalabella are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the country's most iconic attractions. These 11 monolithic churches were carved directly into volcanic rock in the 12th century by King Lalabella, who sought to recreate Jerusalem in Ethiopia. The churches are connected by a series of tunnels and trenches, creating an underground labyrinth that's nothing short of extraordinary. Bet Georges, or the Church of St. George, stands out with its cross-shaped architecture, perfectly preserved over centuries. Visiting Lalabella feels like stepping into a spiritual time capsule. Nature's masterpieces, Simien Mountains and Danakil Depression. Ethiopia's landscapes are as varied as its history. Let's start with the Simien Mountains National Park, often referred to as the Roof of Africa. This high-altitude park features jagged peaks, deep valleys, and towering cliffs. Wildlife lovers will delight in spotting gelada baboons, walia ibex, and the elusive Ethiopian wolf, all endemic to the region. On the other end of the spectrum lies the Danakil Depression, one of the lowest and hottest places on Earth. This geological wonder boasts sulfur springs that glow neon green and yellow, endless salt flats shimmering under the sun, and active lava lakes bubbling in eerie silence. It's a landscape that seems plucked from another planet. Cultural mosaic, Ethiopia's people and festivals. Ethiopia is home to over 80 ethnic groups, each contributing to the country's rich cultural tapestry. The Oromo, Amhara, and Tigray communities are some of the largest, each with unique languages, traditions, and histories. This diversity is celebrated through festivals like Timkit, Epiphany, a vibrant celebration marking the baptism of Christ, with colorful processions, drumming, and dancing. Meskel, Finding of the True Cross, marked by grand bonfires and joyous gatherings across the nation. These festivals are more than events. They're immersive experiences that invite visitors to connect deeply with Ethiopia's spirit. Culinary journey, a feast for the senses. No trip to Ethiopia is complete without indulging in its unique cuisine. Start with injera, the spongy, sour flatbread that serves as the foundation for most meals. Pair it with hearty stews like doro wat, spicy chicken stew, or kitfo, minced beef seasoned with spices. Ethiopia is also the birthplace of coffee, and the traditional coffee ceremony is a must-see ritual. Coffee beans are roasted, ground, and brewed fresh in a process that's as aromatic as it is communal. Sharing coffee in Ethiopia is a gesture of friendship and hospitality. modern Ethiopia, Addis Ababa and beyond. While steeped in history, Ethiopia is also a nation on the rise. Addis Ababa, its capital, is a bustling city that blends tradition and modernity. Visit Mercato, one of Africa's largest open-air markets, for an unforgettable shopping experience. Or explore the National Museum, home to Lucy's fossilized remains and other treasures. Addis is also a hub for art and culture, with vibrant galleries and music scenes showcasing Ethiopia's contemporary creativity. A wildlife wonderland. For nature lovers, Ethiopia offers an unmatched array of ecosystems. The Rift Valley lakes are a paradise for birdwatchers, home to flamingos, pelicans, and herons. The Bale Mountains National Park offers encounters with the Ethiopian wolf and opportunities for horse trekking through alpine meadows. Why Ethiopia should be your next destination. Whether you're an adventurer, a history buff, or a cultural enthusiast, Ethiopia offers something extraordinary. It's a place where every corner tells a story, where ancient traditions coexist with vibrant modernity, and where the landscapes leave you breathless. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Ethiopia. If this video inspired you to explore this incredible country, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel insights, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest adventures. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.